Mold behind caulk can be harmless surface growth or a sign of hidden water damage that needs immediate repair. Start by removing or peeling back the existing caulk in a small area with a utility knife or caulk remover so you can see what is underneath. If mold is present only on the exposed face of the caulk or on the surface of the tile or tub, treat it as surface mold. Scrub with a stiff brush and a household bleach solution mixed at 1 part bleach to 10 parts water. Rinse thoroughly, dry completely, and replace the caulk using a mold-resistant silicone formula, tooling the joint so it sheds water. If you see mold on both sides of the joint or a dark, damp material behind the caulk when you cut back the bead, that suggests water is penetrating the wall cavity or substrate, and you must investigate the source before replacing finishes. Probe for soft or spongy backerboard or drywall. Check adjacent grout lines and fixtures for leaks, and run a moisture meter if you have one to quantify dampness. If moisture persists above normal room levels, plan for removal of affected materials and drying with fans and dehumidification. When removing degraded backing materials, wear a respirator rated for particulate and chemical vapors, gloves, and eye protection, and contain the area with plastic to reduce spore spread. For large areas, hire a professional experienced with remediation. After repairs and drying, reinstall proper backer board and water-resistant membranes where appropriate and use a high-quality silicone caulk applied in a continuous bead to prevent future intrusion. Common mistakes start with assuming all mold seen at the joint is only surface level and simply repainting or re-caulking without checking for dampness. The fix is to cut back the caulk, inspect behind it, and measure moisture before finishing. Another frequent error is using the wrong caulk, such as an acrylic product in high moisture zones. Choose a premium silicone labeled for bathrooms and kitchens and tool it smooth so water beads off. A third issue is inadequate drying and repair after identifying deeper contamination, which leads to recurring growth. Remove and replace compromised substrate. Thoroughly dry the cavity and resolve the leak or source before resealing. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors with project listings and a lively discussion community where we share experiences and practical repair tips related to mold and water damage. We help homeowners find local contractors and help contractors find work while fostering peer advice and project insight through our forums.